What's going on, everybody? Today's going to be a short video showing you how to change your oil on your Boulevard S40 or Suzuki Savage 650. This is a no BS guide. You're just going to watch me do it and get straight to the point. Enjoy. So the first thing I'm doing here is checking to see if I can take the oil cap off the bike, because if I can't do this and I drain the oil, I'm screwed. So funny enough, my oil pan doesn't actually fit underneath, so I'm using the lid of a garbage can. I want to preface by saying I also let the bike run for about 5 minutes and cool down for about 10, just to make sure that the oil was a little less viscous. I very heavily recommend a ratcheting wrench if you have one, because it's too close to the frame to use a socket, and trust me, you're going to wish that it would ratchet. So I'm going to keep this out while this continues to drain. Now we're going to do this part here where the oil filter is. You also leave the cap open just so that it can drain easier. Fuck. I'm a genius. It worked. So as I thought, the oil was going to start spilling out of here, so I went and grabbed aluminum foil to put over the pipe. It wouldn't be such a big deal, but less mess to clean up. Anyway, we popped the filter out. We're going to take this little gasket out right here. I don't think the new one comes with one, so we're going to set it to the side. And this oil filter you can get online. I just went on Fort9 to check, or I think in the US you use RevZilla, maybe. But you just punch your bike in and you'll get the right oil filter. Here I use some 10W40 oil. It's 2 1-liter bottles. So now I just tipped the bike to level and then peeked under where the little window is down there to check the oil level, and it looks good. Now we just gotta take it out, drive it a few minutes, see how it works, and that's about it. Easy peasy.